Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install vintage road bike fenders. If you like this video, be sure to click and subscribe, and click that like button. It's always appreciated. Now on to the video. The fenders will go on to a Koga Miyata Adventure. It had fenders already. The rear one was original. The front one was not. And the rear one was also rotten. It had water damage in between the aluminum and the plastic casing. So I bought a second-hand set of fenders. And you have to take care that you take the right dimension for the fenders, or else the wheels won't fit. Now these, I was really stretching it because these were the smallest fenders there are, and the wheels were 32 millimeter width. I bought two pairs of new fender stays, which were quite expensive, like €5 a piece. They were really strong, but they did have the vintage look I was looking for. So not with any plastic on them or anything. So first off, this is the front fender. The fender stays goes through a bolt which sits in the fender mount or clamp. You can see that I actually didn't correctly measure them, so I had to redo the sawing part. Then it's testing whether or not the tire fits in the center of the fender, spinning them so it moves freely, cleaning them. And then it's onto the rear fender, which has two mounting points. This is the bottom one. Make sure to grease this bolt because a lot of water goes onto it, and that bolt can seize immensely into the frame. And of course, grease will prevent or reduce the risk. The rear fender works exactly the same as the front one. So this is one of the stays, goes through the bolts into the mount. Then again, you have to mark them and saw them off. It's kind of tricky. These old fenders weren't entirely round. So you have to do some juggling and wiggling to get them in the right place. This is a rear view. So take your time, as with all bike restorations. Patience is a virtue. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.